What is up, guys? All-time fun thing here. We're currently at school. Now, we don't want to get exposed. So,
Stop! Oh, turn it up.
We are.
I can't see his face.
about to making
He's making a collab. Go away.
So today we're gonna be hacking the systems. We're gonna be playing some Slither.io. Now you guys are gonna be asking, what the hell is Slither.io? Well, it's this site that was made by Poodle Corp to sink in people. Look at that freaking screen starter. It's freaking trippy, okay? KKK. Now we enter the game. We're getting exposed. We're getting exposed. Guys, we gotta go. We're getting bad exposed. Guys. See you guys next time. An all-time fun time. We gotta go. Okay. We're in a safe spot now. We almost got exposed there. We got lucky. Be sure to click that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.